Hello everyone, I want to tell you about my cover that I have for my Kindle Paperwhite. It's called Cork and it comes in two different colors. Mine is the dark and it does come in one lighter shade, but I really like this color. It does not show dirt at all. And one thing I really love about it is how it feels in my hands. It's not slick at all. Some cases, it would be easy to kind of lose your grip, but this just feels kind of a little bit soft to the touch and just very easy to hold. And it also works that when you open it up, it also opens up and wakes up your Kindle. And when you close it, it turns it back to sleep, which I really like. Works just like a book, kind of feels like a book. And since that's one thing I kind of was worried about when I got my Kindle, the cover made me love it even more because when I open it, it feels like a book. Also, one thing about it is it is a little bit water, not resistant, but if you get just a little bit of water on your hands or something, it seems to soak it right up. I have taken this to the beach and it just works so well. You can fold it completely over. In fact, that's kind of what I do when I'm reading it with it most of the time. And then it's just very easy to fold back over and it puts it back to sleep. So if you're looking for a cover, I really like the feel of this one. I've had others in my hands, like for my friends, and I don't like how slick they are. This one just feels really good and solid, so I would definitely recommend this.